Hello, this video is on setting up your product categories. Product categories in Seazona are things like fixed, removable, dentures, implants. It's just a way for you to group your products and services. To give you an example, if I go orders, new order, quick entry, and I go to my products and services like I'm creating an order and add a product, I'll see crown and bridge, removable dentures, implants, miscellaneous. These are what we're calling product categories, or again, just a way for you to group your products and services. If I select crown and bridge, I'll then see all of my crown and bridge products. Seazona starts you out with two product categories, fixed and removable. However, again, you can customize these product categories, and I'm going to show you how. If we go to Settings, Advanced Settings, here you'll find your product categories. So here are the product categories that I created for this demo site. However, again, you can create your own product categories and customize it for your business. So if I wanted to create a new product category, I would click on New Product Category. I'd put in the type, fixed, removable, and generic. Fixed, it's going to give me, whenever I order a product from this group, it's going to give me all the fixed options. Removable, it would give me removable options. And generic would be, I'd just be able to select the product and I wouldn't have any options. So I'm going to say fixed. I'm going to type in Ron's Fixed Products. Client visible. Do I want clients to be able to see this product category? Maybe it's a miscellaneous kind of category and I don't want customers to be able to see it. Then I would uncheck this. But I do want customers to be able to check this, so I'm going to leave it checked. Click on Save, and now I've just created a new product category. This sequence means how do I want it to show up in the list. If I want it to show up first, I can put in like 0, for example, hit Save Sequence, and now my product category is going to show up first. So let's go ahead and create an order. If I go to Products and Services and hit Add a Product, lo and behold, there is my new product category. If you wanted to change or just rename one of the product categories, you could do that. So if I go to Settings, Advanced Settings, and then Product Categories, I can edit the name and then click Save. I can also delete product categories. Keep in mind that if you do delete a product category, it's going to delete all the products with that product category. If I wanted to then add products underneath this product category, I can do that by going to Settings, Products and Services. Here's my new product category. I click on it, and now I can create new products for that product category. Thank you again for watching this video.